You asked, how to divide 7,980 by 7 using the long division method. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. Bring down 9, making 9. 9 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 7 equals 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. 28 minus 28 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 7 equals 0. 0 times 7 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1140.